Let's change gears a little bit. Let's talk about you, because a lot of the viewers are startup founders, and you've run a very successful consulting firm, and now you're doing a product company. How do you manage balance between product and strategy and sales? Because CEO is also the number one salesperson, evangelist, everything. So how do you manage all of that? And any gaps?
Yeah. So yes, I'm drinking from fire hose for last 6 years.
Right.
I would say that when we started our product, the biggest hurdle is that the fund. So we needed to make a hard decision whether we'll be chasing on fundraising or we want to focus to build a solution, get it proven by customers and make it useful for many customers, build your story, make sure you have built everything. Then you go and do some fundraising to scale it up. So we chose the first one. And as a bootstrapped product company, we always had to do point by point optimization.
Mm-hmm.
Every dollar, every cent, every penny counts.
Yes.
Right? Because we are not a $100 million funded company who can spend $3 million on marketing.
Right.
And ad campaign and all those things.
Right.
But at the same time, it made us to innovate.
Yeah.
A lot of different ways to how to hustle and how to get the things done with minimal operating expenses. And I can tell you, we are profitable already.
That's awesome.
Right? We are profitable. I'm not writing any more check from my bank account. Right? So this is what it helped us. It's hard one way. Because you are swagging every time. You can't hire a CTO. So you are a CTO, you are the product owner, you are the everything, right? And then you have a team who is working, around the clock, all across the world, different part of the world. And then you have the consulting organization who is giving the money to Spain. And it's a constant juggle between this. But last 5 years, I kind of almost stepped out of the consulting. My team is running that. I am more focused on the product. That's what I love more to do that. I think we are getting there at this point that we are building that story with all the customer success. And I hope that we'll be able to deliver something that is really helpful for the end users.